Imagine you're on a quiet flight looking out the window and something impossible drifts by. It's not a plane, it's not a balloon, it's a perfect, silent black cube. While sightings of massive football field-sized objects are not substantiated, reports of these smaller car-sized cubes are popping up in some very interesting places, from over remote deserts to sensitive military sites. So, what are they? And more importantly, what do they want? This isn't just a one-off story from a single person. It's a chilling collection of accounts from highly credible witnesses, including trained military and commercial pilots, who all describe the same thing. These aren't just blurry lights. Witnesses consistently report seeing a solid dark gray or black cube. In many of these accounts, the cube is described as being inside a clear, translucent sphere, with its corners almost touching the inside of the orb. They have no wings, no engines, and no visible propulsion. Yet they move with a purpose that is both baffling and unnerving. While not exactly a routine occurrence, the pattern of these sightings is forcing officials to take them more seriously. For years, reports like these were often dismissed, but the number of sightings from credible sources is becoming harder to ignore. One of the most compelling accounts comes from former U.S. Navy F-18 pilot Ryan Graves. He has testified that his squadron repeatedly encountered these objects off the coast of Virginia Beach, starting in late 2013. In one harrowing incident, 2 fighter jets were flying in formation when a black cube inside a clear sphere flew directly between them, coming within 50 feet of the lead plane. The pilot described seeing a perfect dark cube about 5 to 15 feet in diameter just hanging in the air before the mission was immediately called off for safety. More recently, in December 2024, a commercial flight crew reported a black cube drone passing just 500 feet below their aircraft at an altitude of 16,000 feet. While the FAA's official public release omitted the black cube description, later reports confirmed the crew's original language. This happened during the same week that radar operators detected swarms of unidentified objects over the highly sensitive Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. The fact that our top pilots are encountering these objects near sensitive military sites and we're only now starting to have a serious public conversation about it is a huge part of the story. If you think these encounters deserve a serious investigation, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It helps push this topic into the open. Now back to the mystery. What makes these black cubes so profoundly mysterious is how they're reported to move. According to witness testimony, they perform maneuvers that seem to defy our current understanding of physics. Ryan Graves testified that these objects were seen remaining stationary in hurricane-force winds, only to then accelerate to supersonic speeds. This reported ability to go from a dead stop to over Mach 1 with no visible propulsion is something no known human tech can do. Pilots and radar data suggest these objects can hover silently, make instant changes in direction, and simply vanish. In some incidents near military bases, the objects seem to turn their electronic signatures on and off, making them flicker on even our most advanced radar systems. These aren't just fast, they seem to be playing by a completely different set of rules. So what on earth are they? The explanations generally fall into 2 main camps. The most grounded theory is that there's some form of highly advanced, classified human technology, perhaps a next-generation spy drone being tested by a world power. The former chief of the Pentagon's UFO office, Dr. Sean Kirkpatrick, has stated he found no credible evidence of extraterrestrial technology during his tenure, suggesting that some UAPs could be advanced foreign drones, a category these cubes might fit into. Then, there's the more profound theory, that they're not from around here at all. The inexplicable flight characteristics have led many to speculate that they could be extraterrestrial or even interdimensional probes sent to gather data. It's important to distinguish these physical objects from the symbolic meaning of black cubes in some belief systems or their namesake, the private Israeli intelligence agency. Whatever they are being reported as tangible objects and tracked by sophisticated military hardware. We're left with a stark and unsettling reality. Silent, perfectly geometric objects are being repeatedly witnessed in our skies by some of our most qualified observers. They are moving through our airspace at times over sensitive military sites with apparent ease. Whether they're secret government projects, probes from another world, or something else entirely, we just don't know. But one thing is clear, the sightings are being taken more seriously. And the conversation is no longer on the fringes. The question is no longer if these encounters are happening, but what are they? And what comes next? What do you think is the most plausible explanation? Let me know your theories in the comments below.